Hello friends, in this video we are discussing 20 MCQ of toxicology. This is second part of toxicology 200 MCQ series. If you found this video is helpful for you, please like and share. Question number 1 is acceptable daily intake. ADI means it means an estimate of the amount of substance in the food that can be ingested daily over a lifetime by humans without appreciable health risk. Option D is right. Next question is descriptive toxicology is concerned directly with toxicity testing, which provides information for safety, evolution, and regulatory requirements. Option C is right. Descriptive toxicology is concerned directly with toxicity testing. Option C is right. Next question is the term toxin generally refers to toxic substance that are. The term toxins generally refers to toxic substances that are produced by biological systems such as plants, animals, fungi, or bacteria. Option B is right. Question number 4 is the term toxicant is used in speaking of toxic substance that are. The term toxicant is used in speaking of toxic substance that are produced by anthropogenic activities. Option D is right. Next question is what is chemical allergy? Chemical allergy is an immunologically mediated adverse reaction to a chemical resulting from previous sensitization to that chemical or to a structurally similar one. Option B is right. Next question is chemical idiosyncrasy. Chemical idiosyncrasy is extreme sensitivity to low doses or extreme insensitivity to high doses of chemical and abnormal response of individual towards chemicals, which is determined by genetic constitution. Option A and C is right. Option E is right. Question number 7 is threshold dose is the dose below which no effect appear. Option C is right. The dose below which no effect appear. Option C is right. Question number 8 is no observed adverse effect level. NOEL is the maximum dose at which the toxicant show no sign of toxicity. Option B is right. The maximum dose at which the toxicant show no sign of toxicity. Question number 9 is which of the following can be a source of toxicant? Car, fruit, cosmetic, medicine, all of these. All of these can be a source of toxicant. Option E is right. Question number 10 is which one of the following element is required by our body for normal functioning of some enzymes? Option B is right, zinc. Zinc element is required by our body for normal function of some enzymes. Option B is right. Question number 11 is which one of the element is not required by our body? Which one of the element is not required by our body is arsenic. Option D is right. Arsenic is a poisonous element, so not required by our body. Option D is right. Question number 12 is what is a reference dose RFD? RFD is an estimate of exposure to an agent for a long period without any appreciable risk to life. Option B is right. Question number 13 is where in the body do toxicant or chemical get stored? Toxicant get stored in plasma protein, body fat, liver and kidney and bones. Option E is right, all of the above. Next question is the mode of excretion of xenobiotics from the body. The mode of excretion of xenobiotics from the body, select which applies. Urinary, fecal, non-absorbed biliary excretion, exhalation, sweat, saliva and milk. Option E is right. All of these applies for excretion of xenobiotics. Urinary, fecal, exhalation and sweet saliva milk are mode of excretion of xenobiotics. Question number 15 is egg cells thinning is caused by the pesticides DDT and DDE. The mode of exposure in this case is the following. The mode of exposure in this case is movement of DDT and DDE in food chain. Option C is right. Movement of DDT and DDE in food chain. Option C is right. Question number 16 is which one of the following does not elicit toxicological interest? Option C, earthquake. Earthquake is not elicit toxicological interest. Option C is right. Question number 17 is what does IDLH stand for? IDLH stand for immediately dangerous to life or health. Option E is right. Immediately dangerous to life or health. Option E is right. Next question is which one of the following are the main target of lead toxicity? The main target of lead toxicity is nervous system and hematopoietic system. Hematopoietic system. Option B is right. Question number 19 is organic mercury targets whereas inorganic mercury primarily targets. Organic mercury targets nervous system whereas inorganic mercury primarily targets kidney. Option C is right. Nervous system and kidney. Question number 20 is the last question of this video. If you found this video is helpful for you, please like the video, share with your friends and subscribe our channel for more video updates. Itai disease is caused by cadmium. Option A is right, cadmium. Thank you for watching.